how to turn off the camera self beauty mode on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, open up the camera app. Next, in here, you want to select photo. So select photo at the bottom. Then tap on the quick controls button at the top here. From here, from the toolbar, you can swipe across and tap on the face icon. In here, you can see it's turn on. So you want to turn it off. Now, when it's on, then this is the self beauty mode. You can change the smoothness. So here we can change the smoothness of our skin. You can change the tone of the skin, the jawline, so you can increase or decrease the jawline. So you can see right here, the jawline, you can make it wider or narrower. And here we can also change the eyes. So that makes my eye smaller or larger. So if you don't like to use all that editing, you can simply switch off the self beauty mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.